Alright guys, so I hope you're doing fine as always. In today's video we have a quick look at this 3R short trade that I took on Light USDT. I did record my chart live when looking for this setup, so without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Hey guys, this is me during editing. I forgot to mention when this video is going live. I will be currently on holiday, so this was a pre-recorded video. This trade was actually taken on the 25th of March 2026, so if you want to chart it out for yourself, that's the date you need to be looking at. Alright, now let's jump back into the video. Alright, so now for the actual analysis part of the video. We're here on the Light USDT chart on the 1 hour time frame. We do see they had a nice push up, but then they did have a very aggressive drop. So we can see we're kind of bleeding out here, so I'm trying to see if I can get some of the crumbs that they leave behind here. So we have a look at the smaller time frames. Here, as always, I do first, of course, look at my vector candles. You can see the red one got recovered here nicely. If we go back a little bit, we see they didn't really leave behind any big vectors anymore. These got recovered. This got pretty much fully recovered. This one got recovered. We have a tiny one there still left, but really far away. So they're really filling up these vectors in the move down. If we have a look at the smaller time frames, we see here the one we had recovered. It happened with a green one. It's always good to see. We see here a purple vector candle which got recovered. We have the red one, got recovered. This one got partially recovered. We got the one sitting here, got recovered as well. So we see they pretty much do recover all these vector candles. If we look below current price, because we're interested in a short, where would our TP be? On the 5-minute time frames, there's a small vector candle right there. I want to check on the 15 as well, but we see there's no vector candle there on the 15. This is only one on the 5 minutes. But we do see quite a clean one, nicely sitting here on the 15 minutes. So we're shorting that out as well. Then we're gonna have a look back on the 5 minutes, and also there, this is a green vector candle. So we do have a green vector candle on both 5 and 15 minutes. So quite a strong TP target, in my opinion at least. So I'm interested in scalping short here. I want my TP to be that vector candle of the 5 and 15 minutes. I want my entry to be somewhat decent, but first we look at the stop loss. Stop I want above this wicks, as this vector got recovered, above the 50 EMA. As we can see, we're kind of rejecting of this 50 EMA. So then I put my entry that I get a nice 3R risk to reward. That's pretty much everything to this entry. It's not placed on a specific position, but it's placed so that we got a nice 3R setup based off our TP and our stop loss, in the hope that we get somewhat of a small move back up. Doesn't have to break this high necessarily, just a small move back up to then continue to move down. Now, what can we tell about this trade in hindsight? First of all, the screenshot of the trade, entry at 0.1984, 0.1984, TP at 0.8050, 0.8050. I know I did have it charted out here at 52, but I messed up my numbers and I input my TP on 50, resulting into a 67.5% ROI on 10x leverage. Most importantly for us, it's a 3R trading setup. So now what can we see here on the chart? We see they initially made somewhat of a move down, came back up. They did break this high, didn't break these highs. They did test the 50 EMA with the vector candle, but failed to break above it and rejected from there. Went close to TP, had one final push up to continue to move down. if you see here, this push up also got back into this vector candle, so that's not coincidence neither. If we zoom out now a couple of days further, we can see we're still bleeding out here. But as always, we don't care what happens after the trade hits TP. We did have a good reason to have our TP here. In hindsight, you could say, oh, you could go lower, but that's not how trading works. You do need a strongly defined TP. So that's pretty much everything to this video. Pretty much just keeping it simple, just looking at my vector candles in combination with this 50 EMA here for quote-unquote a quick scalp. I know it's not extremely quick. If we look at when we entered to the TP, it's 3 hours 15 minutes, but still relatively quick and easy. So just keep it simple. Trading does not have to be hard. Just stick to your rules or your strategy, and that's about it. So that's it for this video. As always, if there are any more questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section or on the Discord server, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care, see ya, bye bye.